Hey friends, welcome back. So glad to see all of you here. Just a quick recap. Yesterday we were going over our numbers. We were practicing our 1 through 20. We practiced writing our 11s, 12s, 13s, 14s, 15s 5 times. Today we're going to continue to write our numbers from 16 to 20. Again, we're going to practice writing our numbers 16 through 20. So go ahead and make sure you have your pencil or something to write with and your paper, journal, something to write on. I have my journal from yesterday. I'm just going to continue my numbers. So go ahead. You can pause the video if you need to. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and start. All right, so yesterday we were going over our 11, we were writing our 11s to 15s. We're gonna keep going with our 16, 17, all the way to 20. So 15, 16. Remember, friends, our digits start repeating themselves. We have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 16 would have a 1 and a 1 and a. That's right, a 1 and a 6. A 1 and a 6. So our ones should be able to write our ones. Our 6, you start from the top, then you go down and loop back around. 16. 3 more times. 16. Great job. It's looking great. If you need to slow down, that's fine. You can stop my video. Keep working on your 16. If you need more practice with your 16, that's also okay. You can keep working on your 16 after this video. 16. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What comes after 16? What comes after 16? If you know your answer, go ahead and write it down. I'm going to give you the hint. It has a 1 and a blank. Fill in that blank. What will go in that blank? Fill in that blank. If you're stuck, just remember 4, 5, 6. This should be a 7. That should be a 7. Good job, a 7. So it's a 1 and then 7. 1 and a 7. Sorry, this line shouldn't be here. I just wrote it as a blank. So you shouldn't have a line. It should just be a 1 and a 7, like this. 1 and 7. 1 and 7. One last time. 1 and a 7. Ooh, I have room for one more, so I'm going to go ahead and write that. Remember, just extra practice makes perfect. 1 and 7. 17. This is 17. All right, so after 17, what do we have? After 17, again, I'm going to give you a hint. It's a 1, and then you have a blank. Fill in that blank. It's a 1, and then you have a blank. Fill in that blank. So 1 and a blank. Fill in that blank. I have 4, 5, 6, 7. And this should be an 8. That should be an 8. 18. 18. 1 and an 8. 18. 18. 1 and 8. Great job. It's looking great. Remember, when you write that 8, it is 2 circles. You do 1 on top and then 1 at the bottom. 2 circles. Let me do that one more time. So 1, 2 circles. There we go. 18. Okay. That's 18. Let's keep going. 18. What comes after 18? What comes after 18? What comes after 18? I'm turning the page. Sorry. What comes after 18? Well, after 8, I know that 9 comes, so it has to be a 1 and a 9. 1, and a 9. So you write a 1. Your 9 should be a circle, and then down. 9 should be a circle, and then you bring a stick down. 19. 19. One last time. 19. We have 19. What comes after 19? What comes after 19? After 19, we have 20. 20, last number. So you have a 2, and you have a 0. You have a 2, and then we have a 0. 20 is a 2, and then you have a 0. 2 more times, 2, and then a 0. 20 times. Perfect. Great job. Great job. All right. So there you have it. We just practiced our 16 to 20. Yesterday we did our 11 through 15. If you need extra help, you need extra practice, please make sure you're writing that at home. Make sure you are practicing those every day. All right, now I want you to go look for something to count. So I'm still going to be using cookies. I'm going to be using my Teddy Bear cookies. If you have popsicle sticks, if you have pencils, markers, if you have pasta you want to count, cereal, whatever it is, go ahead and grab that. Go ahead and grab that. All right, we're going to practice some numbers like last time. We're going to write all of them and we're going to be counting. We're going to be counting. Okay, here we go. Actually, I'm going to give you 5 more seconds. If you need to pause that video, pause the video. All right, and we're back. We're back. Make sure you have a pencil. Make sure you have a pencil and a piece of paper, and you have your counters with you. All right, we're starting. Oh, sorry. Go ahead and start. So I invited one friend over. I have one friend over. So let's count that. That is 1. That is 1, right? And then I decided to bring another friend. So how many do I have now? How many do I have now? Okay. Yeah, so you should have 2 on your paper. You should have 2 on your paper. All right, can you show me 3? Can you show me 3 on your piece of paper? Show me 3 counters. Show me 3 counters. That's right, I should only be adding 1 more. 1, 2, 3. That gives me 3. Great job. Great job. And then this neighbor wanted to come over. So how many do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. You're right. We have 4 graham crackers. We have 4 friends over. All right, after 4, what comes after 4? After 4, we have, yeah, after 4, we have 5. After 4, we have 5. After 4, we have 5. Okay. If I add 1 more, I'm going to have, 6. That's right, 6. 6. Okay. And then we have 7. Okay. Looks like you know these numbers. Let's go a little faster. 8. Good job. 1 more is, ooh, you beat me. Yes, that's right. That's 9. Plus 1 more, we have 10. Look at you. So amazing knowing your numbers. We have 10. We have 10. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see if we remember our next set of numbers. After 10, if I add one more, I'm going to have 11. That's right, 11. Plus one more, I have 12. Great job. Then I have 13. Woohoo. And then we have 14. Whoa, what comes after 14? This is tricky. What comes after 14? Who knows it? If you know it, say it. 15. Great job. 15. 15. 15. Okay. What about this one? 15. 16. And then we have 17. 18. Two more. We have 19. And last one, 20. Great job. We counted 20. Counted 20 counted. We have 20 items on a paper. We have 20 items on a paper. Now let's see if we can go ahead and write those numbers down. Let's see if we can write our numbers. So we practiced our numbers earlier this week. We practiced them today. Let's see if we can write those numbers down. Let's see if we can write those numbers down. Are you ready? So this is where you need a pencil or a marker, just something to write with. Yeah, you need a pencil and a marker and something to write with. All right, here we go. So let's start counting. This one is start with. Do we start with? 1. Great job. So this is 1. Woohoo, 1. And then after 1 we have. Who knows what comes after 1? If you said 2, give yourself a pat in the back. Great job. That's 2. And then after 2 we have. After 2 we have 3. Great job. 3. And then remember, 3 is like if you flip an M. It's 2 half circles are open. That's a 3. Okay. And after 3 we have. After 3 we have a 4. Great job. 4. You draw a line. Stop in the middle. To the side and then down. 4. 4. After 4 we have. After 4 we have 5. Great job. Woohoo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. 6. That's 6. After 6, we're going to have. After 6, we're going to have 7. Great job. This is 7. That's 7. Okay, awesome. After 7, we have. After 7, we have 8. Remember, an 8 is 2 circles, one on top, one at the bottom, and we have an 8. Good job. After 8, we have. After 8, we have 9, so it's a circle, and then down 9. After 9, we have. After 9, we have. If you just start, you can go ahead and count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. That's a 1 and a 0. 10. Good job. All right, we finished our 10s. Let's go. Now we're going to move on to the next set of numbers, which is after 10, we have. This is where our numbers start repeating. This is where our digits start repeating. After 10, we have 11. That's 1 and 1. That's 11. Okay. After 11, we have 12. And yes, you can write your ones like this. This is also a 1. You can also write your ones like this with a line. That's also a 1. There's 12. We have 12. We have 12. After 12, we do have 13. After 12, we do have 13. That's a 1 and a 3. A 1 and a 3. What comes after 13? What comes after 13? 13. That's right. It should be 14. So you have a 1 and then a 4. A 1 and a 4. Great job. Let's keep counting. After 14, what do we have? After 14, what do we have? After 14, we should have a 15, 1 and a 5. That should be a 1 and a 5. 15. All right, let's see if y'all can do the numbers, the rest on your own. Let's see if you can do the rest on your own. Go ahead and stop the video. Stop the video and see if you can do the rest on your own. All right, and we're back. Let's check your work. After 15, we have 16. Great job. That's a 1 and a 6. 16. After 16, we do have a 17. That's a 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7. After 17, we have 18. That's a 1 and an 8. Two circles, 1 and 8. After 18, we have 19. After 19, we have 20. Last one, 20. Great job, friends. Great job counting your numbers from 1 to 20. Great job. Make sure you are practicing counting. Make sure you're practicing writing them down. And make sure you're practicing saying them out loud. So again, say them out loud, practice writing them, and practice counting them. Okay. So tomorrow, in the next video, we're going to count objects. We're going to be counting objects. We're going to be counting objects. So I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.